Water flows into a large tank with flat bottom at the rate of 10 to the power minus 4 meter cubes per second. Water is also leaking out of a hole of area 1 centimeter square at its bottom. If the height of the water in the tank remains steady, then this height is. So the Bernoulli's theorem has equation P plus rho GH plus half rho V square equals to constant, where P is the pressure, rho is the density of liquid, G is the acceleration due to gravity, H is the height of point from reference level, and V is the velocity of liquid at that point. At point 1, the pressure acting will be atmospheric pressure and it will be P naught. And at point 2 also, the pressure will be atmospheric pressure, that is P naught. So let us apply Bernoulli's theorem at point 1 and 2. So this will give P1 plus rho GH1 plus half rho V1 square equals to P2 plus rho GH2 plus half rho V2 square. Now taking point 2 as the reference, we can write P0 plus rho GH plus half rho into 0, as the height of the liquid is not changing, equals to P0 plus rho G 0, as point 2 is taken as the reference, plus half rho V square. This gives rho GH equals to half rho V square. So V comes out to be square root of 2GH. This V is the velocity of liquid at point 2. So water comes out from the hole at speed under root 2GH. Now it is given that height of water in the tank remains constant. That means there is no net change in volume of water in the tank. So whatever volume of water enters in 1 second, same volume of water is leaked in 1 second. So the rate of addition of water phi will be equal to VA, which is the rate of leakage of water. This will give 10 to the power minus 4 equals to under root 2GH into 10 to the power minus 4. So under root 2GH comes out to be 1. So 2GH equals to 1. Therefore H equals to 1 upon 2 into 9.8, which will be 0.051 meters, that is 5.1 centimeters. So the answer is option A.